Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change wipers on your BMW 1 Series. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the ignition off. It's crucial to protect your windshield, so place a soft cloth or towel beneath the wiper arms. This prevents any accidental damage if an arm snaps back. Also, have your new wiper blades ready for a smooth transition. Always refer to your owner's manual for any model-specific instructions. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade downwards or outwards, depending on your model, to detach it from the hook. Once removed, gently lower the empty wiper arm back onto your protective cloth. With the old blades off, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly. After installing both new blades, it's essential to test them. Turn on your ignition and activate the wipers on all speeds to ensure they operate smoothly and quietly. Look for a clean, streak-free wipe across the entire windshield. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember to replace your wiper blades approximately every 6 to 12 months for optimal visibility and safety, especially before winter or rainy seasons. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.